This is video 3, Finding Books. Once you have a topic selected, you will now want to search for resources. One of those kinds of resources is books. This video will explain 3 ways that you can find books. The first way is using the library catalog. To find books, you need to use the library catalog. The library catalog can be used to locate books by title, author, and subject. Where is the library catalog? It's located on the main library page. To the left of the search box right here are several tabs. The one that says Books and More is the tab or button to click on to search in the catalog. So I'm going to click on Books and More, and now we're in the library catalog. Now we can type in a search topic. We're going to use the search topic of bullying. Here are the search results for the search of bullying, and it has 496 records, so it displays the first 20, like it says right here, showing the first 20. We go down this list and see different books that pertain to bullying. If we wanted to add another concept or another term to this, we could click on Advanced Search, and then we go here to where it says Add Search Field, and then we could type in children as our second search term. And so now the catalog has searched and found 172 books or records that have both of those terms in it, both children and bullying somewhere in the record. So let's go ahead and look at what we found here. Let's look at record number 13 first. Record 13, the title is Bullying Prevention, Creating a Positive School Climate and Developing Social Competence. It gives the author and then the date that this was published, 2006. Then it gives a little bit out of the table of contents, and then it gives the call number. And it's located on the 3rd floor. So at this point, you can write down that number, the call number, and then you can go up to the 3rd floor and find that book amongst the books that are on the 3rd floor. Now we're going to go up and look at another record. We're going to look at number 2. This one is Bullying, a Public Health Concern. It tells you again when it's published. It gives you a call number. It says located. It says online. So this is an example of a book that we have in our catalog that is not physically in the library. This book is online. It's what's called an electronic book or simply an e-book. So to access this e-book, you click on where it says Go to eBook. We are now in the ebook here. You have the cover of the book here. You can advance from one page to another by clicking on this arrow that's pointing to the right here. It says go to next page, and you can keep clicking and it will go to the next page, and you can go back pages by going to the left. This is a way that you can navigate through this book. The second way that you can find books is by using a database called WorldCat. WorldCat is just what the name suggests. This is a world catalog. World catalog because it allows you to search the collections and services of more than 10,000 libraries worldwide. WorldCat has over 2 billion items that you can search. To access WorldCat, we need to go up here to Resources, and then Online Resources A to Z, and then we go to W for WorldCat, and there it is, WorldCat. So we click on it. So here is WorldCat. We can type in our topic again of bullying, and then what you can do is you can look at each individual book here, like this first one, Bullying. We can click on the title. And then what it does is at the bottom it says find a copy in the library. If the West Library does not have this book, then underneath here it tells you libraries that do have the book that are close by. So it says here that the Tarrant County College has a copy of this book, and it's about 10 miles away. And you can also get a map to show you where this particular library is. Then the next one is White Settlement Public Library, and that's 11 miles away. And so as you go down the list, the libraries that have this item get a little bit further away. So this is very helpful to know where you can find a particular item. You can also click here where it says request item to request that this item be sent here to this library through InterLibrary Loan. So we click on request item, and then here's the form that you fill out, and then you can get this item from the other library that if it's too far away or you just don't want to go to that library, you can get it from us because we have a service called InterLibrary Loan that you can use to access materials that are in other libraries. The third way that you can obtain books is through our InterLibrary Loan service. To get to our InterLibrary Loan forms, you go up to Resources, InterLibrary Loan, and then if you want to request a book, you click on the book link, and now you've got information here at the very top that you should read before you fill out the form. After you've read that, you can fill out information about yourself, your name, your Wesleyan ID, your Wesleyan email, and your phone number. You can also fill out information about the book, the title, the author, the ISBN, and the edition. The only thing that you have to fill out is the title of the book. The others are not mandatory. Then the last thing is loan information. How much are you willing to pay? Now, you can pay nothing at all and get materials through InterLibrary Loan. If you put something in where it says maximum amount willing to pay, you might be able to get your item a little bit faster because some libraries charge for their InterLibrary Loan service. And so if you put some money there, then we can go to libraries that charge and you may get your materials a little bit faster. Once you're done, you can click on Submit, and that's all there is to InterLibrary Loan. Now, I showed you that you could also do InterLibrary Loan when you're in WorldCat, and so that's also possible. So to review, there are 3 ways to search for books. You can search in our library catalog, you can also search in WorldCat, and finally you can do an InterLibrary Loan. This ends video number 3.